In this video, I'm going to show you how to humanize your ChatGPT text. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the ChatGPT website, and we're going to start our prompt just by creating something basic. So I'm just going to start by typing in, create me a 1,000 word email advertising my SEO services, and then go and press enter. Now, obviously your draft is going to look a lot different to mine, but there's actually a few things we can do here to go and humanize this content. So the first thing we're going to do is just type in a couple of prompts. So the first prompt that we're going to type in is keep the sentences under 15 words in length and try to include up to 3 sentences when writing a paragraph, and then go and hit enter. So that's the first prompt, and you can already see it's a lot more human-like. Now the next thing you want to type in is don't use extremely niche vocabulary words. Then type in avoid C2 Cambridge English vocabulary level verbs, nouns, and adjectives, and then go and hit enter again. And lastly, we're going to type in ensure the content is easy to read, aiming for an 8th grade reading level, and then put in brackets approximately a flesh reading score of 70. Then go and press enter again. And once you finish all of these prompts, you can already see that our content looks like it's now being written by a human. Now, if you want to humanize your content even further than what we've just done with these prompts, then what you can do is just go and select all of your text. And then I'm just going to right click and copy all of this. Head over to an internet browser and just type in Humanize AI and hit enter. Then we're going to scroll down, and there's a bunch of different free websites we can use to do this. The one I like to use is this one here, humanizeai.pro. And then we're going to scroll down and just go and paste in all of that text that we just copied. Scroll down again and click on Humanize AI. And at the time of recording this video, it's a completely free tool to go and use this. And then once it's finished humanizing your content, you can see these orange words are the ones that have been replaced. And this is another way to go and humanize your content one step further. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.